Hello guys, and welcome back to this channel, where today guys, I'll be showing you how to commit message on GitHub. So guys, the first thing that you of course need to do is go to Google and type in github.com. After that, you just need to go and log into your profile or register to GitHub if you haven't already done that, of course. But now guys, let's see what we have in front of us. In the top left corner, we have the three lines where you can click on. Here we have the home, issues, pull requests. And in the top right corner, as you can see, we have your profile picture where we have your profile again, your repositories, etc., all of those things. But now guys, let's see how you can actually go and commit a message on GitHub. So it is pretty simple and you just need to go and follow these few steps to know how to do it in no time. So to commit a message on GitHub, you can also follow these steps. First of all, start your changes. Before committing, you need to stage in changes you want to include in the commit. You can do this using the command git add and git, of course. Then commit your changes. Once you change your stage, you can commit them with messages using these following commands: git commit /m. And you can push your changes. After committing, you need to push your changes to remote repository. So guys, that will be basically everything for this video. I hope that you found this video informative and entertaining, guys. If you did, don't forget to like this video, share it, subscribe to the channel, and put the notifications on. As guys, this always really helps us grow our channel. So if you have a few seconds, it will be really pretty cool if you could just do this for us in 2 seconds. So guys, as I told you, that will be everything for this video. I hope that you enjoyed it, and I guys will be seeing you in the next video. Until then, bye guys.